If your PlayStation 5 is stuck in safe mode, or if some of its options are grayed out and you can only see the 7th or 8th option, then in this video I'll show you how you can fix a PS5 that's stuck in safe mode so that you can use your console normally. The first thing that you should try is restarting your PlayStation manually. So you need to hold down the power button until you see the screen turns off. This should fix it for a lot of you guys. Now if that didn't fix it and your console still boots up in the safe mode, then you can perform a cold boot. For that you need to turn off your console again and unplug the power cord. Then let it sit for about 20 minutes before plugging the power cord again and then boot it up. This time your PlayStation should start normally. If it doesn't, then the only way to fix it is by resetting your PS5 console. But keep in mind that this will erase all the data that you have on your PlayStation, which includes the games and apps that you have downloaded. For some of you, there may be some options that's grayed out, but the reset option should be available. So first try resetting your PS5 without reinstalling system software, and if that doesn't fix it, then reset and reinstall system software. For that, you need to have a USB drive that contains the latest updates file. We have a detailed video about it, so you can check it out from here. Now after resetting or reinstalling system software, if you still keep booting up in the safe mode, then there's a high chance that it's a hardware issue, so you need to contact Sony or PlayStation support and wait for their response. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem. Make sure to leave your feedback and I'll see you around.